The question now we have on the board is exercise question 2.5, which is a solution of glucose in water is labeled as 10% weight by weight. What would be the molality and mole fraction of each component in the solution? If the density of the solution is 1.2 gram per ml, then what should be the molarity of the solution? तो हमें एक ग्लूकोज सॉल्यूशन दे रखा है जिसका वेट बाय वेट परसेंटेज हमें बता रखा है और हमसे मोलैलिटी एंड मोल फ्रैक्शन पूछा है. इसके अलावा नेक्स्ट पार्ट है इसका डेंसिटी ऑफ सॉल्यूशन गिवन है तो मोलैरिटी बतानी है. लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग दिस. तो वेट परसेंटेज है तो मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. लेट मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन बी 100 ग्राम. मास ऑफ ग्लूकोज इक्वल टू 10 ग्राम. मास ऑफ water equal to 90 gram. Now molality. Molality equals number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. Number of moles of solute 10 divided by molar mass of glucose, which is 180. Molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6. So from here you can calculate the molar mass. Now mass of solvent. Mass of solvent is 90 gram. It is in gram, so we will divide it by 1000 to convert it into kilogram. We will get finally 10 upon 180 into 1000 upon 90. We can cancel these zeros, so we are getting 100 upon 18 into 9. Now cancelling this 59, then 9 5s are 45, so 5.55 like this, then 0.617. So the molality of the solution we will get as 0.62 m. So this is the molality. Now we will be finding the mole fraction. So you can write it by pausing the video here. Now we will be finding the mole fraction of solution. Mole fraction equal to number of moles of component divided by total number of moles of all the components in solution. Now number of moles of glucose 10 divided by 180 upon total number of moles means moles of glucose plus moles of water. Now this thing we will get 1 upon 18 divided by 1 upon 18 plus 90 upon 18. On simplifying this, we'll get 1 upon 18 upon 91 upon 18. These 18s we can cancel, so we'll get 1 upon 91 and the final result will be 0.011. So this is the mole fraction of glucose. Now the mole fraction of water. Mole fraction of water. So this is a binary solution, and for binary solution, if we know the mole fraction of one component, we can find the mole fraction of another component by subtracting the mole fraction of first component from 1. So mole fraction of water is equal to 1 minus 0.011. So this will come as 0.989. So mole fraction of water is 0.989. You can write it down by pausing the video here. And next I will be solving for molarity of the solution. Molarity of solution. Molarity equals number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution. Number of moles of solute means number of moles of glucose 10 upon 180. Now volume of solution, mass of solution is 100 gram and density of solution is 1.2 gram per ml. From here the volume will be coming in milliliters, so converting it into liters. Now on simplifying this, we will get 10 upon 180 into 1.2 upon 100 into 1000. So these 3 zeros are cancelled. We will get 12 upon 18, which is equal to 2 upon 3, and the final answer will be 0.67 m. So the molarity of the solution is 0.67 m, which is the answer to the question.